Okay, so in this video, we're going to solve one basic problem in abstract algebra about binary operations. So this is the problem. Define two binary operations asterisk and circle under the set of real numbers as follows. A asterisk b equals to ab and a asterisk b equals a plus 2b. Verify the two distributive laws of asterisk and circle. So ngayon, meron tayong dalawang distributive law dito. Meron tayong left distributive law. Okay, so left and right distributive law. Okay, meron tayong left distributive law dito. So ano ba yung left distributive law dito? Left distributive law of asterisk over circle. That is x asterisk of y circle z equals, we distribute x asterisk of y, then circle x asterisk of z. This is the left distributive law. Then, what is our right distributive law? Our right distributive property of asterisk over circle. That is y circle z asterisk x. Okay? And that is equal to y asterisk x circle z asterisk x. I'm so sorry. This should be asterisk, this one. Okay, so x asterisk y circle x asterisk z, then y asterisk x circle z asterisk x. Okay, so let's go first with the left distributive law of asterisk over circle. Okay, so we have to show that the left side is equal to the right side given this operation. So we have x asterisk y asterisk z is equal to x asterisk y circle x asterisk z. And then we solve. What is x asterisk y asterisk z? Ay, sorry. Magkakamali tayo. So, this should be circle. What is y circle z? We will follow this one. A circle b is a plus 2b. We just change a and b by x and by y and z. So this becomes y plus 2z. Okay, then what is x asterisk of y plus 2z? So we follow this one. A asterisk b equals to ab. We just simply multiply 2 times x times the b, which is the y plus 2z here, which is y plus 2z. Since real numbers, we can use the distributive property of multiplication over addition. So 2x times y, 2xy, plus 2x times 2z, 4xz. So dapat equal siya dito sa right side. What is x asterisk y? So we follow this one. So 2xy. Circle, what is x asterisk z? That is 2xc. And what is 2xy circle 2xc? We follow this one. So your a becomes 2xy, then your 2b becomes, your b becomes 2xc. So we have 2xy plus 2 times b, 2xc. 2xc. So we have 2xy plus 2 times 2xc, that is 4xz. You see that the left and right hand sides are both equal. Therefore, left distributive law holds. Okay? How about the right distributive law? That is y circle z asterisk x equals y asterisk x, then circle z asterisk x. So what is y circle? So we have follow this one. So y plus 2z asterisk x. Then we follow this one. So we have 2 times y plus 2z times x, which is 2 times y times x. So we have 2xy plus 2 times 2z times x, 4xz. Okay, then we go to the right side. So y asterisk x becomes 2yx or 2xy. Then circle 2zx becomes 2xz. And what is 2x? Y circle 2xz. We follow this one. So you have 2xy plus 2 times 2xz. So 2xy plus 2 times 2, 4xz. So the left and right hand sides are both equal. Therefore, right distributive law holds. Okay?